hot.
Hot, hot, hot.
Damn hot. It's the new Tamiya Lunch Box Evolution, or EVO, with Mark on the camera.
I'm glad you introduced me, Rob.
And
hello there. It's Mark on the camera.
It is.
And that's Rob over there.
Hello.
Is that Rob Dan there?
Is that Dan there?
It's Dan there.
Is that you, Dan there?
Look at that lovely box you've got there,
Yes. We're going to open the box up, but I'm not going to go through all this stuff.
Rob.
What I'm going to do
It's
is...
an unboxing, Rob. We've got to unbox it.
I know, but I'm not... Because I've already done one.
Okay.
Of the lunchbox. I mean, okay,
Oh, but this is different.
The black edition, but this one is different. But I'm going to show you the differences. So there's some bits, as in the chassis, longer and wider, and it's got double wishbone and stuff. So
actually, Rob, the chassis is the same, but it has got a longer wheelbase. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. See, I've done my research, you know, dude.
I thought it was going to be a bit longer chassis.
Come on, no, it's not. Can't get the stuff.
Get it out.
Good job, I'm here, eh, dude? For now.
Yep.
Get it out the box.
Get it out. It's called...
It's got a knife. No, we had got a knife.
I've just noticed CW01E.
I wonder what the E's for, dude.
Ooh, Evo.
I wonder. You never know. Look at that. Snazzy little bit of presentation there. Very nice.
Yep, so...
Right then. Do you have to paint that body or what? I thought the standard lunchbox came white, mate.
Well, it probably did, but this one's come yellow, so I'm not going to paint it.
I don't know about that, dude. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
So, yeah, some main
bones. Is that your different bits?
I think some different bits. That's the rear, isn't it? Three link suspension, they're calling it.
And what's that at the end there, dude?
I don't know yet. I haven't noticed that.
That looks like some kind of brace, doesn't it?
It does, yes.
There you go. Right, that's that. Yep. He's thrown that down. Look at that. We're in disgust.
We've got a Hobby Wing Tamiya 1060 that comes with it.
I like them.
Yeah. Smoked windows.
Very nice. That's the same as the original, I think, dude, isn't
it? Part of the chassis.
That's the bit that holds the front suspension on, mate.
And the battery, isn't it?
And the battery, yeah. Well, I can't see. All I can see is through this tiny monitor I'm looking at, Rob.
Wheels.
Yeah, they're the same.
Yes.
Standard.
But it does come with stuff so that you can convert it
to hex.
To hex, yeah.
So if you want to put hex wheels with hex drives in, but these wheels haven't got the hexes, but you get the adapters, don't you?
You do.
So full of info we are, you know, dude.
We are.
It's incredible, isn't it? I've been doing RC for how many years?
Oh,
too long. I know what he's going to do now. I'm going to get the camera ready. Here you go. Here he goes. Here he goes. What do you reckon?
Ooh, lovely.
Hey, don't hog him, mate. Give me a go at that. Oh, what? Hang on a minute. The camera's got to be. Oh, I like that, Rob. They're nice.
Yep.
Pungent they are, aren't they?
And we've got 4 of them.
Double tyre sniff, guys. Double tyre sniff.
Ooh, some more bits.
I'm glad you got 4 tyres, dude. He's got more bits. I think they're pretty standard from what I can tell.
So,
I don't know.
No, I can't remember myself.
I keep saying I've got
lots of chrome bits. I don't think we use them, do we?
No, because that's the other upgrade on
this.
You use those on the standard one.
Well, you do.
So you're getting the parts for
we don't use them either because they've been upgraded.
Yeah, so obviously you get one of the most important upgrades, isn't it?
It is.
Nice and yellow, isn't it, that?
It is. Lovely.
In fact, yeah, but you do need to paint that, do you, mate?
No, I'm not going to bother.
He's a lazy so-and-so, you know.
I am.
I knew you said lazy sad. All sod. Very nice.
Yeah. Smooth them bits off.
Yeah, smooth them off.
Lovely.
Lovely jubbly.
Here is
and there's
chassis.
I'm sure that's the same as the old vintage version. Or would you call it classic version? I don't know. No. I'm sure that's the same, dude.
Yeah.
Samey old. CW01. I think apparently, you know, when this first came out all them years ago, it wasn't called a CW01.
No.
They called it that later. I think I'm right. Somebody's going to fact check me and tell me off in the comments. So he's getting the rear,
the different gearbox
and axle housings,
which is the same, I believe.
Yeah. The difference is the way it's mounted, isn't it, mate?
Yes.
Yes.
There's mounting points there, and then there's the 4-link
The links, yeah.
that I call it, rather than...
Oh, look,
3-link.
it's an empty box except for a box.
It is. Another box.
A box within a box.
Yeah. And we get the standard Marbucci, is it?
Bucci. Yeah, it's going to be my Bucci.
Yeah, I can see some text there, but I can't.
Can't read it because we're old.
Yeah.
Old duffers.
So, yeah, 540 silver can.
Yep. I wouldn't put that in if I were you, Rob. I'd give it a bit more pep if I were you. What we
Muck
got there?
springs.
Yeah.
And parts bag C
It's not like you,
and
dude.
B.
You normally like doing it in alphabetical
We
order.
do, yeah, but hey.
It's a bit anal like that.
There's A,
There you go.
which is the gearbox, and all ball bearings.
Ball bearings, guys! Woohoo! Tamiya, what are you doing, dudes?
Except apparently
Apparently what?
you need to buy some more if you want to put the hex adapters on.
Yeah, but you're not using it except
No, I'm not
So
going to.
stop
no.
moaning, Rob.
I'm
Just
not
be
moaning, I'm not-
grateful.
I'm not, no,
Just
no,
be
no,
grateful,
no,
dude.
no, no, no.
You've actually got ball bearings.
Yeah.
Sorry, I got
Oh, so that's the
adapters.
12mm adapters things.
Yes.
Hex adapters, steering. There's the bits.
They're the important ones.
Yeah, shocks.
You forgot to say the important thing, Rob.
What's
They're
that?
not just shocks, are they?
No, they are.
They're M&S shocks. No, they're not. They are
Oil filled.
CVAs.
And is that
Yeah.
soft?
Yeah, that's soft. Definitely red soft. They're not just shocks.
No.
They're M&S shocks.
More shock stuff.
More shock stuff. Loads of shock bits. I'm shocked.
Front bumper.
Oh, that's a real bad dad joke, that, isn't it?
It is.
Front bumper.
And the diff and gears.
Standard.
Yeah.
Standard CW01.
And that's about
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, what about... This is a manual. You
Oh,
leaving
yes.
that there? What about... Oh, I want to see the new Vanny. The new Vanessa. She's new, apparently, Rob.
She is
She's
apparently, yes.
had a perm. Not a perm. But an hairdo.
Don't know, can't tell the difference, mate.
Can you not? You can't see her?
No, because
have a look.
I didn't stick
Yeah,
it on
look at
my
that. She's
other
got
line.
short hair now.
Lunchbox.
Look at that. She's different. And it's red. Very
Yeah,
nice.
and we got Lunch Box EVO.
Evo stickers.
So yes, that's
Doodah.
stickers.
He wasn't
done.
going to do a proper unboxing, but he has. Look, I've made him do it.
I know.
And there you go. So,
forcing me.
and obviously this is going to be different to you.
Yeah, so that's the
Standard one.
options. Look.
I can't see very well, mate. It might be all right when it's on the screen.
Yeah,
I don't
great big 12mm hexes,
know. Yes.
or don't know what that one is. Oh, is that the front? Maybe. Who knows? But hey, I'll stick with the stock.
Stick with the stock.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
There we go.
There you go.
Tyres on.
Files and wheels and
Lots of. There we go. Look, filling the oil shocks up.
coolio.
Yes. Where are you? Let's have a see if we can find. Ooh, itch. So there's the wishbones and.
I don't know if I'm picking any of this up, look, Rob. It's just
all
good
right.
white. If it's not picking up, just cut it out.
Yeah, I will do.
I don't know what it's going to come out like, mate. I say I'm blind.
It don't matter. Don't matter.
Don't matter.
Don't
Does it?
matter.
Don't matter, does it?
No.
Yeah. So there's the
Don't
double
matter.
wishbones, yeah.
And
Shot. I
steering.
can see them now, I think. Oh, then you forgot
steering-
to mention that's an important thing, isn't it, Rob?
It is.
The steering's centred.
It is. There's a new steering arm thing you do.
Yeah.
Re-
So you use instead of different lengthed
Yeah.
tie rods, you've got the same length now, which helps the steering, doesn't it?
It does,
Oh, and I
yes.
forgot, the other thing I forgot, Rob, is the body, dude. Now it's
Oh, yes.
fixed by screws, and it's
know.
7mm lower than the standard one,
Yes.
so lowering the centre of gravity a bit.
Right, and this is the 3-link that they were going on about.
Yes, for the rear box.
Yes.
For now.
But hey, I'll probably show some of this as I'm building it.
Yeah, you can cut this out, Rob. I keep saying
Yeah.
that.
Right, well,
Right then.
that's about it then.
Right
sir.
then. He's throwing it down. He's throwing it down. Oh, look who's that on his belly. Oh dear.
No.
Right then.
Right, well, I think that's about it.
That's it.
I hope you've enjoyed watching and look forward to seeing you for possibly some of the build videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Lunch Box EVO. Unboxed by your man, Rob Brennan. RC.